Hai adik-adik semua, hari ini kita akan belajar mengucapkan kalimat yang sering digunakan sehari-hari oleh anak-anak. Dengarkan dan coba tirukan. Ucapkan dengan percaya diri.
Can I play outside? Can I play outside? I'm starving. I'm starving. Where's my toy at? Where's my toy at? Let's play something fun. Let's play something fun. I don't want to go to bed yet. I don't want to go to bed yet. This is mine. This is mine. That's not fair. That's not fair. I don't like these veggies. I don't like these veggies. Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand? I feel like eating candy. I feel like eating candy. Watch me. Watch me. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. What's for dinner? What's for dinner? I'm so bored right now. I'm so bored right now. Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. I'm scared. I'm scared. Can I get some water? Can I get some water? It's my turn now. It's my turn now. I love you, Mommy. I love you, Mommy. Why do I have to do that? Why do I have to do that? All right, I'm ready. All right, I'm ready. I don't get it. I don't get it. Can I have some ice cream? Can I have some ice cream? Do we have to go now? Do we have to go now? What's the plan for today? What's the plan for today? I can do it myself. I can do it myself. Let's make something cool. Let's make something cool. Where's my school bag? Where's my school bag? I wanna watch TV. I wanna watch TV. Can you read me a story? Can you read me a story? Look at this. Look at this. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. Do I really have to clean my room? Do I really have to clean my room? Let's race. Let's race. What time is it now? What time is it now? Can you fix this? Can you fix this? I want to go swimming. I want to go swimming. Check this out. Check this out. Let's draw something. Let's draw something. Why can't I have that? Why can't I have that? It's too hard. It's too hard. I need to go pee. I need to go pee. Let's make cookies. Let's make cookies. I forgot my homework. I forgot my homework. Do I really have to go to school? Do I really have to go to school? Can we get a pet? Can we get a pet? I don't like this one. I don't like this one. Let's play hide and seek. Let's play hide and seek. It's broken. It's broken. I wanna draw something. I wanna draw something. Wanna play with me? Wanna play with me? I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. Found it. Found it. Can I stay up longer? Can I stay up longer? I miss my friends. I miss my friends. Why is the sky so blue? Why is the sky so blue? Can I borrow that? Can I borrow that? Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Let's have a picnic. Let's have a picnic. I don't feel like sharing. I don't feel like sharing. Can we go to the beach? Can we go to the beach? I'm not sleepy. I'm not sleepy. Let's play pretend. Let's play pretend. Can you tie my shoelaces? Can you tie my shoelaces? I want to color. I want to color. That's my favorite. That's my favorite. I want to go home. I want to go home. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? It's so funny. It's so funny. Why can't I go? Why can't I go? I'm telling on you. I'm telling on you. Let's make a fort. Let's make a fort. It's not working at all. It's not working at all. I feel so hot. I feel so hot. Can I have a turn now? Can I have a turn now? What's that noise? What's that noise? I wanna go to Grandma's place. I wanna go to Grandma's place. Let's climb that tree. Let's climb that tree. Can I get a cookie? Can I get a cookie? I'm cold. I'm cold. Let's play tag. Let's play tag. What does this thing do? What does this thing do? I need help doing this. I need help doing this. Tell me a funny joke. I need help doing this. Let's sing something. Let's sing something. Why do I have to share? Why do I have to share? Oh no, I spilled it. Oh no, I spilled it. It's way too loud. It's way too loud. Can we go on an adventure? Can we go on an adventure? I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. What's this thing made of? What's this thing made of? Let's make something. Let's make something. I wanna wear this one. I wanna wear this one. Can I call my friend? Can I call my friend? Why can't I stay up late? Why can't I stay up late? I'm done. I'm done. Can I try? Can I try? This is so awesome. This is so awesome. Let's go ride bikes. Let's go ride bikes. What's that smell? What's that smell?
Selamat belajar dan sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Semoga video ini bermanfaat.